abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Hello, Magadini. Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events. Like I always say, for all your events, whatever event that you are hosting, whether it's a marriage, whether it's a divorce, no, we don't do that. But maybe birthdays, maybe church conferences, and maybe you need sound, cinematography, lights, smoke machines, whatever that you may need that has to do with eventing. Make sure you visit Dep3 Events today or just contact them on the numbers that are on the screen. And also, remember that all our Enkundleni exclusive episodes are powered by Oguhle Designs for all your graphic works, graphic designing, cap printing, whatever that you may be doing. Maybe you need banners for Amalobola Day, Amakapu Goals, Ama T-shirts, Abebalo, His Queen and Her Majesty. We've got that at Oguhle Designs. So just visit Oguhle Designs or contact them on the numbers that are here. And today, we are at Amakosi Cultural Center, where there is a masterclass for all artists across all platforms, whether it's fine arts, whether it's the designers, poetry, music, theater, screen actors. We are here today because we've got our guest all the way from South Africa, Thandeka King. Usedlala ama-roles amaningi in different plays. Shaka Ilembe, what else? Uzalo, like Maneng, to mention just a few. So she's here today just to interact with my creatives. She's here today just to have a word or two and just to share some knowledge and ideology about the art and the craft. So I'm just going to be talking to a few young people, just finding out their expectations with today. What are they expecting? Then Ngingaga Valley program, I'll invite to Thandeka King Oguti Abuye studio just to have a short chat lie. Then from there, alame mbeseng hamba mbeseng sesha coffee, lama banzi, laba bagcwalisa ama flake abo phandle para babuya ngalalutho. But it's okay. It's a story for another day. My name is Rian Leslie Nzalbona Mbambai. Yes, our views. I'm still at Amakosi Cultural Center for the Thandeka King Masterclass, and right now I'm joined with one of the best or biggest content creators, Wabulawayo, that has also come to get some few tips, knowledge, and what from the workshop. So, such a Kobe, the one and only.
Yeah, but Jacob in English.
Yeah. So coming to the workshop, what's your expectations today? Because you have been waiting for a long time, and finally Thandeka is here and about to start the workshop. So what are your expectations today as a content creator?
All right, I'll try to speak slow. Right. It's for networking and also to learn. We learn from other people. So already everyone is here. So we are here to learn and to probably to network and to meet people like you. Probably and to eat if there's some food. Yeah.
Beautiful thing. And what then can you call an achievement after this masterclass? What is it that when you go back home, uti bengu masterclass and then sugembambe loku after the masterclass?
One, if I go back saying the network can be a good. Not probably connect on it one, but abantu nje saying the links and probably even information kat very kat bona ba actor internationally labana. How do they do it? Because we met at times with amanga. I cannot answer that question right now.
Yeah. And Guge Gwaba the small workshop earlier on Ega Kovela, where he was talking about management and so on. Was that fruitful and helpful according to you?
I think I did not attend that one.
Or you
Nansi
were not yet
semakhaya,
here?
yeah.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much for joining us.
And it's okay.
Such a call.
Namana ngaba, "Woo, yeah!"
Yes, so that was such a common studio. And right now, I'm joined by young, enthusiastic actress, Ugwabulawayo. And we just want to find out, Uguti, why are we here? What is it that we want to achieve from this workshop? Is it fruitful enough? You've been here since morning, right?
Yes, definitely. I was early.
Yeah, and there were some few lectures before what's happening right now.
Yes. We were taught on how to actually be a good artist or an actress, looking at how amanye ama artists etu they don't have administration work. So we were told ukuthi if you don't have administration work, that you then crumble down as an artist or an actress because you don't have someone to manage you. You just take anything. Because Ukok Begezela made an example yoguti. You then find ama artist oguti ba charge $50 for their gigs. And then was the situation kuyabe kuqale ekutheni ukuthi okay mina ngicharge $200. And then umuntu says that angila. Says okay 150. Angila, all right, 50 wangkhona. It's because they're afraid ukuthi leyo $50 is amlahlekela. You see, so we're just basically taught about the administration work as an artist.
Oh, okay, okay. And from what you had, I believe you're in school and having some few lessons about also which involves a bit of administration. So the knowledge that you got today and the knowledge that you already have and the expectation, obviously, when we're talking about people like Thandeka King, people that are international, it means there is a certain expectation that you have. So what's your hunger today? What is it that you say, I want to grasp this before I leave this place?
I think when I saw the poster with Thandeka King, I saw my mentor, because I've always asked myself, Uguti, how does she actually switch roles? Because we see her as Umkabai, Umangcobo, mother roles and all that. So now as a young actress, young aspiring actress, I feel like I have to learn more on how to actually adapt to any character, because I feel like I struggle in that. And then I'm here to actually interact too and get to know other artists around me, but most importantly, I'm here to learn more on her, on how does she actually do it, internationally.
Okay.
I think we need to learn that as our young actors and actresses.
And something just popped in my mind. If you are to stand right in front of Thandeka King, what's the first thing that you would ask her?
I was practicing. So my question was, because if I take a look at this in film, I start as Nyigu correct, and I do the first shot. The time they say cut, second shot, it becomes hard for me to actually get on character again. So I actually wanted to ask her, how does she do it? How can I manage that? How can I deal with that problem? Yokuthi nxa ngiku character bengathi cut. So kumele ngibuyele ku character. I find it hard ukuthi ngibuyele futhi ku character fully. Yes.
Okay. As a young actress upcoming, where do we find you on the social media platforms?
It's Nomandla's Piu, @Nomandla's Piu on TikTok, and then Nomandla's Piu Moyo on Facebook, Nomandla's Piu Moyo on Instagram.
Oh, thank you so much. That's Nomandla's Piu coming here to share just a few about her expectations today. So it's a masterclass workshop, and we've got people that from different places. Like I saw, I'm a celebrities, so I'm a musicians, I'm a DJ. So okay, all gender is represented this afternoon. Like we've got a lot of people outside, so we just managed to squeeze in a few just to understand the expectations today. So I've got a young man here today, also a student, a theater and a film student, and I just want to understand, how does it feel like to be in a place like this today?
Oh man, it feels like home. It really feels like home, because the moment I stepped into this room, I felt like I was surrounded by the right people. I was surrounded by the people that have the same passion with me, and to be in such a space for me is a precious moment because it's one of the first time that I've ever been surrounded by such, and to hear the speakers like Ogogo Begezela, so much wisdom that is coming from him, and I'm just inspired. I am so happy to be here.
And the major question for today is your expectation coming to a masterclass with Don Thandeka King. What are your expectations today?
Okay. My expectations are of definitely how, as she is an actor, how we can also become better actors in terms of choices as well. Because I believe it is a career that needs for you to choose to say, who do you want to be in this industry? What do you want to do? Or as a brand, what difference do you want to make in the economy, in the community, in the country, and in the world? And that she has managed to do, I am sure it is something that she can teach us as well as young people to say, how can you do that? And I'm looking forward even, one thing that I've loved about her, she's someone who is in the arts and also a spiritual person, to say this arts industry, I believe is not only just maybe the body that is doing the acting, but it's also a spiritual thing. So to understand even the behind scenes of how maybe it comes to her on the spiritual side, something that I'm looking forward to learn from her today.
Yeah, good expectations. And also, if you have been following, I know because you're here today, it means you have been following with Don Thandeka King. So what are those things that make her outstanding for you? What are the things that you'd look at and say, umuntu lo uyachaza lo, or I want to be like, hey, it's even way by you look at her and say, yeah, this is exactly what I want.
Maybe not to answer that question directly, I'll just maybe tap on the following, as you said, I've been following Don Thandeka King. Funny story, I went to Kotagamela, and my motive was to get a picture with her. Oh man, it was so hard to get a picture with her, and in such a way I tried it 3 times. And I'm looking, today as I stand here, I'm going to try for the 4th time to get a picture with her. And why is it that? Because I am looking at Utikona. She is a lady with presence. Do you know someone who has aura? You know, someone who has presence in such a way, even when you see her from screen, you are relating with the story that she's telling, and you are relating with her energy as well. I'm someone who respects energy. I'm someone who respects as well when I see someone honestly, and I get that from her, and it makes her, even her acting, it seems so believable. Even when we're watching Umkabai, there's a kid who believes that Umkabai, it is Don Thandeka King. And for her to portray that, I respect that stigma, so to say, unesisindo. And I don't know if I'm looking at my favorite actors, when I'm looking at ladies, Don Thandeka King is my favorite actor, Mama, and she inspires me a lot. And as I said, it's not only from her arts, but it's also as a person, as a whole, because I believe the spiritual side, it is the one that is making her blossom the way that she is blossom. Yonke into iqala ngasemsamo, ngasempandeni sakhe, and that is what really, really inspires me with Don Thandeka King. It's not only about what she is on the outside or what we see, but it is someone who respects umsamo wakhe, who respects impande zakhe, and with that, it is showing a culture, it is showing ubuntu bethu, it is showing amasiko ethu, ukuthi akwanisa ukuthi ekuphakamise from lokho oyikho and ekukhuphule into a greater things that can be seen by a lot of people, and kukuthi kuqalele ngasemsamo wakuni.
Oh, yeah. So it's more than art, but also cultural, traditional interpretation. So it's more of communication. We communicate our culture, we communicate our tradition, and also we share emotions and talent through the screen. This is what young people are saying about Don Thandeka King. So it's going to be interesting today. We are going to have her in studio very soon and just find out, Wuti, how does it feel to be in Bulawayo, to be in Zimbabwe? She has been to Nkai and all over. So, well, I'm taking a short break, but I'll be back after this. So we just want to attend a masterclass now. Then we'll be back again in studio. For now, I'm not signing out, but I'm taking a coffee break. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, Lichwanile, once again, and we are back at Enkundleni exclusive. Like I said, you met a lot of young people. Akadebe Kuluma, that we're so excited to be in this masterclass. We're so excited to come here and learn from the Her Majesty. So I've managed to squeeze it in. It was difficult, but well, abakithi babelam. So right now here with me, I've got Her Majesty Thandeka Queen. Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive.
Thank you.
It has been a long day.
It has overwhelming. I think emotionally overwhelming in a good way. In a good way.
Yeah.
But it's been a beautiful day.
And how has been your stay in Bulawayo so far? You've been all the way to Nkai.
I really enjoyed myself, and I appreciate the fact that that's the first part of Zimbabwe I got to experience, the rural. Because often we come to the cities and we never really interact with the people in the rural areas. Yeah. So I was very happy to have gone to Nkai. The road is interesting. However, we're hoping that next year, the road will be much easier to travel on.
Yeah.
But it's been a very beautiful stay. I've gone to Chicken Corner, and not sure the other place I went to, but you know, I've just experienced the life, because that's what I wanted. I wanted after the Chief Tagamela was, I just wanted to experience life in KwaBulawayo.
In Bulawayo,
KwaMfazi ochaya indoda anchophela.
No, we don't want to be pretend. And to see like hundreds of creatives, young and old, just coming to grasp whatever that is there in terms of art. Like, people have been here and like they've been interested, and abanye bengikhuluma labo just now, they say it should have been 2 days, should have been a week, should have been longer. We wanted to hear more. How does that make you feel as a creative, to see other creatives coming down, sitting down and listening to creative sector instructions, and how does that make you feel?
I think as an artist, the most important thing when you visit a place is to share yourself with other artists of the area, of the place. So I think this kind of completes and fulfills my journey to KwaBulawayo. And it's been a very interesting experience, in that artists everywhere want to do better, but we are unfortunately not in a position to do as well as our overseas counterparts. We are all hoping that our industries grow and they are taken seriously, and we are able to make a proper living out of the industries, because this is our passion, this is our calling, this is what we love doing. It's not like what we are doing is a by the way thing. So for someone maybe who doesn't understand the arts, this we do because it's our calling, and because we are called to do this. So if maybe you are a parent and you're saying to a child, no, don't do that, no, it's pointless. You can pay for someone to study and be a doctor or a lawyer, but this calling, it haunts you. It haunts you. That person will not be happy. But when you get to do what you love, and I see a lot of people are very, a lot of people in there, the people I was with, they love what they are called to do. And there's different types of artists here. They are designers, they are fine artists, there's actors, and I believe there's musicians, you know. So it'll be nice for me to come back, maybe with my colleagues from South Africa, come back and just have maybe a long week, a week-long workshop, maybe, just to share, because it's also just interacting and sharing cultures, sharing different cultures. So more
of a cultural exchange.
Yes, a cultural exchange. Because I can tell you now, I don't think we know more about Amandebele and this side. And it's not just Amandebele, there's different cultures. There's
there are
Shona,
Xhosas,
there's,
Shonas,
you know.
Venda,
So we need
yeah.
to learn about each other. And also the characters that we get to play, you then expand the characters that you can portray in terms of language, in terms of you understanding the behaviors of the people of the different cultures. So, yeah.
Yeah, it has been interesting, and obviously there's a young lady, young gentleman out there who's getting into it and trying to pursue this business of acting, this business of art, and they would want to hear something from legends like you. What would
Yeah.
you say to that young lady? Maybe but don't do that.
Yeah.
It doesn't pay. And these are things that we get on a daily basis. Don't do that. It doesn't pay.
Yeah.
Be a doctor. Don't do
Yeah.
that. It doesn't pay. Try law. What then would you say to that young lady? What then would you say to that family?
The sad thing is, to the family and to the parents, the sad thing is you'll be killing that person's spirit. If you force them into a different career and they are telling you that they want to go into the arts, you're killing them. Yes, you'll have a doctor with money, but you'll have a very unhappy person, because it's a thing that lives within you that you need to express. Art is a form of expression. So if a person wants to do that, just allow them to do it. Don't be the one to determine whether it pays or not, or whether they will make money out of, or they will be rich out of it. Is life about being wealthy and rich, or is life about being about you experiencing it and expressing yourself in the way that you are here to express? Remember, we don't all have the same purpose in life. Someone's purpose might be to be in the arts to heal mentally, heal spiritually, you know. And to those people that do want to be in the arts, patience is very important in this industry. Very important. You must be very patient. If you're not patient, then it means you're not of this industry. Patience and humility.
Then last thing, expectations. I know like a lot of people after this that want to hear more from you, that want to get more. I think you mentioned earlier on that you might start engaging other people in South Africa to say, I've seen something in Zimbabwe. So the young guys, the creatives in Bulawayo, what then can they expect from you? What are you cooking for us?
Look, I'm not cooking anything. Not cooking anything at the moment, but you know, I think I needed to come here and see, because I've never been to Zim before. It's my first time here, so I needed to come here and see. And I think I appreciate the fact that I was here to be honored by Chief Dagamel for the work that I do. For me to be here and to see how people love what I do says then I must go back home and just think of a strategy to come and maybe grow the industry this side in the best way that I can. Grow the industry this side and maybe just share the expertise that I have with people that would like to be in the industry. So I guess that's what's in the future. So I'm not cooking it currently. I'm still chopping the veggies to cook it.
Still lighting this stuff.
Yes.
But the key words there, our viewers, is patience for everyone that wants to pursue the art, that wants to pursue whether it's acting, music, poetry, fine arts. Have patience. Know that one day it will take you where you want to be. These are the words of Don Thandeka King, and it has been Enkundleni exclusive. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
And are you still around?
Yes, I'm around, and then I'm going to go to Harare as well.
Okay,
Just
okay.
to experience, you know, the two different cities.
Yeah, I think you need to pass by Bulawayo Theatre. There's a play that's going to be running, I think, from next week.
From next.
Yeah.
Well, I leave on Friday, but
okay.
it depends. When does it end?
Not sure.
I can come back. I've discovered that a flight to Bulawayo is an hour and 45 minutes.
No.
I can
I
fly
think through
in
your
to watch
team, I'll
it.
just
Yeah.
send a post and so that maybe you see our type of
Yes.
ear to the side and also
Yes.
see the space as well. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
most
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I can definitely come back and watch it.
No, it's okay.
It's not as far as people think it
Yeah,
is.
yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for joining us once again.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, our viewers. It has been a great episode of Enkundleni exclusive. This is your boy, Engineer Leslie. Okomanje sencha phansi ngithi sizalibona singalikhangela.